Oh, hi. Welcome to Inspirational STEM. Let's talk about community interactions today. So, we want to ask the question, what are the different interactions that are happening within communities, right? And whether it be a simple food chains or more complicated food webs, what are the effects on the populations of the species that are interacting together? One first thing is competition, where it's a minus minus interaction. That means detrimental to both species in terms of the abundance of the species because they're competing for the same amount of limited resources. Okay, the second kind of major interaction is what the predator prey interaction. There's a plus minus, so the predator is getting an advantage and the prey is at a disadvantage. It's a positive negative interaction, beneficial to one species and detrimental to the other species. Okay, all right, so let's now talk a little bit about something called symbiosis. It's extremely important term. It's a general term for what we call close long-term relationships between two species, and they are divided in three different major categories: commensalism, mutualism, and parasitism. So what is commensalism? Well, it's a plus zero relationship, which means like a bird on a rhino or a bird making a bird nest in a tree. One species benefits from the interaction, but the other species is unaffected, like you say in this case the fish, um, in its marine ecosystem within the sea anemone is a plus zero interaction. Next major form of symbiosis is mutualism, which is plus plus. Both are getting benefited by this. This is a type of symbiotic where both benefit. For example, a lichen, algae, and fungus relationship. The next major form of symbiosis is parasitism, where one is getting benefited and one is not getting benefited. So one organism, parasite, benefits at the expense of the other organism. Okay, so let's talk about a few more other interactions that happen. One is called herbivory, where the animal and the herbivore feeds on plants. It's a plus minus interaction. Then there is a interaction commensalism, where one species is harmed while the other is unaffected. It's what's called a zero minus interaction. And then there is neutralism, where neither species affects the other. And then finally there's mimicry, where one evolves to resemble another species protection advantage. All right, well, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.